Good evening, everybody. Today is Thursday, September the 12th, 2024, and we're here again with Donnie to talk about the Cash In on Bad Credit course that we have. And we've had two previous successes with other students, and tonight we have Lilly, who's going to be joining us to tell us about one and maybe possibly a second success story that she's had. So, Donnie, welcome.
Thank you. Welcome, everybody.
And Lilly, welcome as well.
Hi, everybody.
There we go. I think we got like 12 people on here, so 13 including Donnie. So Lilly, you've had a success with our small claims court process of removing negative entries from your credit report. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
And how many times have you done that? Once or twice, where you had a success?
I've done it once.
Okay. All right. So why don't you tell us about that? What kind of, without naming the creditor, what kind of a debt was it? Was it a credit card or a car loan or what?
Yes, it was a credit card.
Okay. So did you send them a notice to remove that from your credit report?
Yes, we did.
Yes.
Yes, we did.
Okay. And they ignored it?
Yes.
All right. So why don't you take it away from there and tell us what happened? What is your story?
Well, we sued them, took them to small claims court, and I followed the process, everything that I was told to do, and they responded, and so we kind of went back and forth until we came to an agreement, and we were able to settle out of court, and they took the negative mark off of my credit report, and they also sent me a check in the mail.
For how much?
Well, I really don't want to say, but I was happy with it.
Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I asked so we could whet the appetites of those people that are listening. So, all right.
How much was the debt they said you owed them, Billy?
The debt? Oh, my gosh. How much was the debt?
I'm just wondering. If you don't remember, it's okay.
Yeah, I don't recall exactly.
Not a problem.
So did they agree to eliminate the debt as well?
Yes.
Okay, so they removed the negative item, they eliminated the debt associated with it, and they sent you a check.
Correct.
Is that right?
Yeah.
What is there about this not to like?
Nothing. It was great. I want to do it again. Yeah.
All right. Well, sounds like you may have your opportunity to do it again.
Yes, I'm sure I will. Yes.
Okay. So what's really cool about this is that they contacted you after you filed the case, but they didn't go to court. They contacted you and wanted to settle this without going to court.
Yes, and that was so great because that's what I wanted to happen, because I'm not an attorney. I really didn't want to go to court, but I would have if I had to, So I was really happy with it.
Okay. And that's why we go to small claims, because we're not attorneys. We can't be expected to know all the complicated things of court and all that, and that's why they've got small claims for people like you and me. Well, congratulations on that. I'm glad that worked out for you. And thank you for sharing your story. Donnie, do you have any other questions that you want to ask of Lilly?
No. So how did the attorney contact you?
He contacted me via email because we were going back and forth email. We were emailing each other back and forth.
So how long did it take you to settle it? You don't have to be exact. A few days.
Wow, it was. Yeah, it was probably like not more than a week. It was quick. It was really quick.
Yeah. How long did it, after they made the agreement, how long did it take them to remove the negative?
Well, it was probably the following month when the new credit report came out.
Okay.
How long did it get you a check?
Pardon?
How long did it take to get you your check?
Oh, that was pretty quick as well. It wasn't more than a couple weeks. It was, pretty quick. Everything happened pretty fast.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
What was... I had the question. So email, I think email would be the preferred way to go because when they send you an email, then you have time to think about it. You have time to put together an appropriate response rather than just having to think on your feet.
Yep.
Exactly. That is so true.
Because if they say something and you don't like it or it seems kind of weird, you can take a day or so to contemplate it or get in touch with Donnie or I, and, we can probably put together a plan for you.
Absolutely. I love that method because, they could say something over the phone, and like you said, you're not really sure what to say, and you don't want to, get stumped on anything. So that's the beauty of the email. Yes.
So, Lilly, can we open it up for questions and have people ask you questions about it?
Sure.
Okay. If you have questions for Lilly, hit *6 on your phone. And hopefully it'll go through. All right, 617 area code. Go ahead.
Am I on, Tad?
You are.
Oh, great. Okay. A lot of instructions before I could get on here. Sorry. Lilly, congratulations. I'm curious, what were the damages or how were you harmed, or what was it that that you were able to claim in the small claim complaint that they had harmed you? Was it a denial of credit, or you know what I'm asking?
Yes, I do. Yes. Well, they never sent me a 30-day notice in the mail that I would have the option to agree or disagree with, stating that they were going to report that to the credit bureau, that negative mark on my credit report, because they're supposed to do that, and they didn't. They failed to do that.
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. 207, I don't know if you have a question or not.
Hey, good evening. How are you?
Good. Do you have a question for Lilly?
No, I actually had a question for you, so if you want me to wait, that's fine.
Yeah, if we can wait. That'd be good. So if there's any more questions for Lilly, please hit *6 on your phone. Otherwise, we're going to let Lilly go. Okay. Well, I don't think anybody else has any more questions for you, Lilly. Is there anything else you want to say?
Well, I just want to say that, it wasn't that difficult. Everything went pretty quick, and I was very pleased with the way everything went, and of course Donnie was great and helped me through the process too. So I was pleased with it all.
All right. Okay. Well, Lilly, thank you very much for taking the time to share your story, because people need to hear it. I know a lot of people are afraid of court, and even small claims court, but I'm sure you were no different. But here you are. You had a success. You're empowered, and it's kind of I guess, a form of entertainment for you now.
Yes, it's great.
Would you recommend other people do this process?
Oh, definitely. Most definitely.
All right. All right, Lilly, thank you very much.
Appreciate that.
Okay, you're welcome. Have a good evening. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome to stay on and listen. I'm going to go ahead and mute you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Good night. Okay, let's see here. All right, so